your community today, back with Chef Mark. So let's see, we are making bruschetta, correct?
We're making tomato bruschetta.
It smells so yummy. I wish you could smell it at home. I just want to eat this from here.
Smell the garlic and the basil
yummy.
and the tomatoes. We're going to do a little twist on the bruschetta today for people that have some health problems like diverticulitis or colitis, that we're taking the skin and seeds out. So what we're going to do is, first of all, at home, we get a paring knife and we're going to take the core out of the tomato. Then we're going to put an X on the bottom of the tomato. Then we're going to drop this in boiling water for 20 seconds, and then we're going to shock it in ice water to stop the cooking process. And then it's going to come out like this. So with the X on there, the skin comes right off. Very easy to peel.
How about that?
Then we're going to cut it in half. And as you can see all the seeds in there.
And that could be a problem for people with health issues.
Right, and then we're just going to squeeze that seeds out and take all the seeds out.
So you're going to gut the tomato.
Basically, that's what we're doing. So what we're left is with the tomato flesh.
Okay. Now you could use this with the seeds in if you want to.
Is then we just dice it up. And we put it in our bowl. And then we're going to add some fresh basil to it.
It smells so good. These segments make me very hungry.
Olive oil. Our fresh garlic. And salt and pepper.
Okay.
And we're just going to mix that around.
So good.
And after that, we're going to get our crostini. Okay. Or if we have a little Vienna loaf of bread, we could use that. Or if you have a nice hamburger bun, you could cut that into crostinis. And then we're just going to top it with our tomato, basil, and garlic mix.
Now, Chef, should you see how this looks a little different than your mixture that you just made? Should you let it sit overnight, or should you make this
when
early?
it sits, it marries. It's like a marriage, and it does get better as it sits.
So if you want to make this for maybe a appetizer, you can do this the night before.
Yes.
Put it in the
And
refrigerator.
for a couple days in the refrigerator.
Okay. I know that if you don't feel like making this at home, you can actually come here at Sand Springs and enjoy it.
Right, and that's one of our appetizers on the menu. And also you could check us out on Wednesday night for our wing night. We have a special sauce weekly plus a special sauce monthly, and we have 10 other sauces that tantalize your palate.
All right, next week, what should we have ready?
Next week we're gonna make risotto. If you have a boreal rice, chicken stock or chicken broth, and Parmesan cheese and some diced onions.
All right, be prepared, get that list ready. We'll be back next Friday to do more cooking here at Sand Springs.